Hey guys, welcome back to RamboTravels. I'm down here at Tiger Mountain trailheads, getting ready to just hike around, show you guys some beautiful scenic views. Hopefully you enjoy the outdoors as much as I do. Courtney did not make the trip today. She's busy running errands, so I said, hey, I'm gonna get out and get to it. All right, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. All right, here at our first checkpoint around the lake trail, marked by that beautiful sign right there. We're gonna power through here and make our way around the lake and hopefully get some really cool views to show you guys. Wow, the birds are really chirping out there. I don't know if you can hear them. Wow, they're really enjoying themselves right now. So we'll keep trucking through here and yeah, hopefully we get some really nice views of the lake. It is a beautiful lake. What an absolute beautiful day to be out here. Feeling really blessed to be able to have this time off to be able to go do this and share this adventure with you guys. Not gonna lie, the weather is actually perfect. You need to be a little bit cool if you're gonna be out hiking around and breaking a little sweat. Helps cool you down and makes the hike that much more enjoyable. I brought extra hydration because it will be needed. I'm on a 48-hour water fast and energy levels are a little bit low, but definitely in good spirits and probably breaking fast here pretty soon. We'll just have to see how that goes. It's not my first rodeo. I've been through it before, so do them like once or twice a year and get a lot of health benefits from it. So not quite sure if I mentioned this already, but I'm doing the Around the Lake Trail. I'm not exactly sure how long this trail hike is. So when I get through this, I'm going to see my energy levels and see if I'm up to doing another 1 mile loop for the original trail that I was supposed to go on Talus Trail. I just got a little distracted off by the lake and lost my sense of direction. So just going along for the ride. So I've noticed down here as I've been walking through that there's lots of families and stuff. So this is definitely more of one of the moderate hikes, the Around the Lake Trail. I would definitely advise it if you have small children or want to just get you and the dog out for a little walk. It's definitely relaxing, pretty beautiful, nice breeze coming off the water, keeping me cool. I really am enjoying that. No lie. Looks like there's no camping back here. I think this is all protected wetlands from a lot of the signs that I've seen already. But I would love to come back here and go camping. It'd be awesome. All right, let's get back to the trail. All right, guys, looks like I found a little spot to take a break for a quick second and rehydrate. So that is what I'm going to do. Really wish I would have brought my fishing pole. I have to do some research and see if this is a lake that is stocked or has any, who knows, not all lakes have fish. So what a beautiful day today, man. Can't say it enough. I've been really looking forward to doing a hike here over this last week, and the weather just has not permitted it. So I feel really blessed today that it turned out pretty decent. No rain, not 100% clear skies like it said it would be, but I'll take it any day of the week. This is a lot better than rain. Up my trail here. It looks like I'm headed, you guys probably can't see it over here, but I left the around the lake trail and I'm on the old bus trail, and I just discovered why they call it the old bus trail, and I'll show you guys here in 2 seconds. It's pretty cool, you guys. Old bus just chilling out here in the middle of the woods. Like, I was not expecting this for the old bus trail. Pretty cool though. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna wrap up here at the old bus and continue along our journey. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. There we go. This is the West Tiger Trail 3, not the Nook Trail that I thought over there. I'm gonna have to really get familiarized around here with these different trailheads. I'm excited to come back down here again and hike some of these different trails once I actually have some food in me and I'm not just running off of water, tea, and coffee. The sun is sunning right now. It's absolutely beautiful. Feeling really great right now. Really feeling fortunate to be able to be out here and enjoying this hike. Wish Courtney was here. Courtney hits the gym every single day, working out super hard, you guys. So don't fault her for not being here right now, because she definitely wanted to be. But yeah, it's just too much going on. Too much going on. When life be life, and y'all, look at all these new sprouts on the trees. God, there's just so many different routes you can go around the lake trail, traditional lake. So let's see, there's a little map up here. I'm gonna have to do some more research on these trails, you guys. They just run like a maze around this place. So yeah, we're gonna have to get this figured out. So they got restrooms all around here and stuff too. And where are we now? Buzz Trail, West Tiger 3, Tiger Mountain Trail, Swamp Trail, Puget Power Road. God, there are so many different trailheads around here. Here goes the bathrooms. So the hike was actually 3.41 miles. I marked it at the very end. I just forgot to shut it off when I got in my car and headed home. So here's a quick outline of the route I took, and hopefully you enjoyed that hike. All right, guys, we're all wrapped up. I finished the hike. Let me see actually how long that was. We have 3 miles, 3.41 miles. There it is, off the fast. Sorry I couldn't give you more. It's only 1:30, so I would love to just keep trucking along, but I gotta call it quits, guys. The tank is empty, and I need to go refill it. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you drop a RamboTravels below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.